Hi there, I'm Dan Schneiderman, lead producer and coordinator of the Empire State Maker Faire. The Empire State Maker Faire is an exciting virtual interactive maker event that will be held on October 16th and 17th, 2020. We're encouraging makers from New York State or anywhere in the world to share their creative work, give tours of their personal and community makerspaces, host panels with makers with a shared passion, demo a project that they've built, teach a skill or a workshop with the community, or share a performance with the world. On Friday, October 16th, the Empire State Maker Faire will be focusing on content aimed at young makers, their caregivers, and youth educators. It could be a workshop that could be replicated at home, projects that young makers want to share, or something that will inspire the next generation of makers. On Saturday, October 17th, we'll be featuring a wide range of maker content for all ages. Our call for makers is open and can be found at makerfaire.com. We are encouraging makers from both New York State and around the world to apply. The Empire State Maker Faire is presented by the producers of Maker Faires in Rochester, Long Island, Buffalo, Fredonia, Twin Tiers, Syracuse, and World Maker Faire, in conjunction with Make Community. Remember to apply today and keep on making.